Streamline your workflow with Sellercloud saved searches. Seamlessly create, save, and manage your filtered searches and customize grid columns. Filter and save searches on various pages, including catalog, product types, inventory, FBA shipments, WFS shipments, pick lists, inventory arrivals, orders, RMAs, purchasing, shipping containers, and vendors. To create a saved view, first, you need to go to the category you want to manage. Select a default or custom filter and click Search. To save your search, click Save View. Name your search and click Save. You can access your saved views from the Saved Views drop-down menu. You can also view summarized data of your saved views on the home page under the Saved Views panel. Users can only access their own saved views. Still, you can copy a saved search from one user to another. To copy a saved search, you must be either a client admin or have the required rights to copy saved searches. After you've created a saved search, click the vertical ellipsis and select Manage Saved Views. Then choose Copy Saved View to another user. Select a user and click Copy. To organize your searches better, you can customize the columns in the grid before or after customizing your search filters. Click the vertical ellipsis in the upper right corner and select Customize Columns. Rearrange or add columns in the grid and click Apply. Sellercloud also supports custom saved searches with custom criteria. For more information, reach out to our support team.